In this video, I will show you how to change language on YouTube app. So make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, to do that, all you have to do now, go and open your YouTube app. After you open your YouTube app, all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, this view section, as you can see this profile option at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, all you have to do now, tap on these settings at the top right side. Now go to this general section, general, first option. Under this first option, now scroll to down and tap on this section where it says app language. This one, as you can see, this app language, tap on it. So after you tap on this app language, as you can see now, here it says current language. So current language is English United States. So all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down, and choose your language that you want to make it on your Facebook app. As you can see now, you can find all the languages that you want. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.